Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable bass boost for your headphones BeOplay8Sport. You have to start by opening the application. Now click on sound mode, then create new, and you should move it to the between energetic and warm. Then click save as new, give it name, and then click save. And right here in the mods we have this mod. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.